Hello and welcome to ICSE Class 8 Maths tutorial. The topic is algebraic expressions and identities. Before we start, आइए आपको एक शायर की दो लाइन सुनाता हूँ. शायर कहता है, वफाएं करके जफाओं के गम उठाए जा, वफाएं करके जफाओं के गम उठाए जा, इसी तरह से ज़माने को आजमाए जा, इसी तरह से ज़माने को आजमाए जा. Thank you. Okay. These are the formulas, identities. 3 identities I have written. First is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third is a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b, or a minus b into a plus b, whichever, 2 into 3 or 3 into 2, either way it is okay. And here if you take xy, so you write down x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. You can write down the formula in terms of x and y also, m and n also. Anyway, you can write down. Fine. Only you have to identify what is there in place of a and what is there in place of b, and then apply the formula. Fine. Okay. Now the first question is, using suitable identity, find the product. And this is the question, first question. 3x plus 5 3x plus 5 and 3x plus 5 again. Alright, this product we are finding out. Okay. Now see the same term, 3x plus 5 here also, 3x plus 5 here also. That means 3x plus 5 whole square. Par is here 1, index is here 1, index is here 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So this we can write down is equal to, this we can write down 3x plus 5 whole square. 3x plus 5, 3x plus 5, 3x plus 5 whole square. Alright, now which formula can we apply? A plus b. See, a plus b. Now in place of a we have 3x, in place of b we have 5. We'll apply this formula, a plus b whole square, and that the formula says this is a square. A square. In place of a we have 3x, so 3x whole square. So you can write down 3x. 3x. This is a square, then plus 2ab, plus 2a. A means 3x, and then b means 5, and plus b square means 5 square. A square plus 2ab plus 2ab and plus b square. See, b in place of b we have 5. So b square means 5 square. Formula we are using that we'll mention here. The formula we'll write down here. Since a plus b whole square is equal to how much? A square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This formula we are using, that I have written down. Alright. Now 3x whole square is 3 square and x square also. So 3 square is 9. So we can write down 9x square 9 x square, 2 3s are 6 5s are 30, 30x plus 30x and plus 25. Alright, and this is the answer. This is the answer. This is the answer. Fine. Clear? Now one more question. Now the next question I am taking is 4x plus 11y and 4x minus 11y. 4x plus 11y and 4x minus 11y. Question is 4x plus 11y in one bracket and 4x minus 11y. Which formula we can use here? See, a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. The question is the same question. Let me read the question again. Using suitable identity, find the product. This into this. Alright? Now A, if you consider this as A and this as B, so this is again A, this is again B. So A plus B and A minus B. A plus B into A minus B, which is equal to A square minus B square. Alright? So this we can write down is equal to A square and minus B square. Fine. In place of A we have 4x, in place of B we have 11y. So A square minus B square. This formula. A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square, and that will write down here. A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. We'll write down the formula here. A plus B, A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. This is the formula that we use here. Fine. Please do write down the formula. Now 4 square is 16. So this gives you 16 x square and minus 11 square and y square. 11 square is 121. 121 and y square. And this is the answer. This is the answer. This is the answer. A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Formula used we are mentioning here, writing here. You can write down since here. Since A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. And then this is the answer. Alright. So I hope everything is clear. Okay then. Thank you so much. Thanks.